Very nice. Let's pick it up to 30, nice and positive. Dirty, dirty, dirty little b****. That's going to dribble right onto my fairing. Oh no! Oh, that's just got on me! Oh no, that's horrible! Oh, there's nothing I can do. Hang on a minute, just make your bike safe a second. You can turn your ignition off, but stay on your bike if you want, mate. Tissue. It isn't good luck. Tell you what, it'd be good luck for the bird when I catch the little Let me try that. What I might do actually, right on, we push the talk button, that's brilliant. Dirty little I bet he's laughing his beak off. Don't know who they say it's good luck for. Right, got nothing on me, have I? Could be worse, it could be a flying human.